Okay, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The 98th regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Supreme Espanyola, Palawan, Lao, Court Order. May I request to be start for our prayer and national anthem. Singing of the national anthem.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinapupurihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito, na kami ay muling nandito.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, helas na silanganan, alam ng puso, sa lilit mo'y bumay. Upang hinirang, buyan ka lang magiging, sa manlulupi, di ka masisigil.
Secretary, we have it all. Please,
Good morning, Mr. Presiding Officer. The role of the Sangguniang Bayan for today's regular session, we count Honorable Councilors Harmony, Chua, Jorda, Katungay Jr., Bernardo, Sahibol, Tingson, Galan, Ong, Galang, Reyes, and the Honorable Presiding Officer, Honorable Marcito C. Acoy. Mr. Presiding Officer, 10 members or 9 members of the Sangguniang Bayan are now present for today's session.
okay, so we have it all. So we proceed our session. Reading and consideration of the previous regular session held on November 18, 2024. Okay, friends. Friends, with that, please kind of read.
Presenting to you the minutes of the 94th regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sophronia, Espanola, held on November 18 at the session hall of the Sangguniang Bayan for your consideration and approval. It was attended by the majority of the members. The presiding officer called the session to order at 9:31 in the morning. The secretary called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of the majority of the members, Sangguniang Bayan, the presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. For first reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session. The minutes of the previous session were presented by the chair to the body for consideration and approval. We're having other comments and corrections from the body. The minutes of 93rd regular session held on November 11, 2024 were unanimously approved upon motion of Councilor Sunny K. Bernardo, duly seconded by Councilor Arnold A. Galan.
Okay, any comment, correction regarding these minutes? Held on November 18, 2024. Wala. Okay. May mobile. Please, Kagawad Bernardo.
I move the minutes of the 94th regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sophronia, Espanola, held on November 18, 2024 at the session hall of Sangguniang Bayan of Sophronia, Espanola, be approved for adoption.
Okay, that's your move and seconded. No objection? Seeing none. The 94 regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Espanola held on November 18, 2024 is approved for adoption. Next, privilege and question of Yes, kagawad Armay, yung recommend.
May inutos po kasi sa akin nakaraan sa Saturday ng taga-news office na papalitan daw po yung pangalan ninyo dun sa ano kasi hindi raw po na-signan ninyo. Yun dun po sa 18,500,000 na
Mm.
sabi ko kayo na lang po ang mga doon. Kung po ano niya, kung ano yung lagay niya kay Vice Mayor na acting mayor. Kaya yun lang ang ano ko sa society kung ano na po ang nangyari dahil hindi na po tayo na-update pa.
Papalitan sila yung ano lalagay, yung mayor na.
Si Mayor kasi ayaw niya na rin pong permahan sa presiding kung ano na po.
Tama yun kasi hindi maliwanag ng hindi ako sa DLT, hindi nila akong sagot ng tama. Kaya hindi ko pinirmahan. So, tama yun, si mayor na dapat mag-pirma ko. Walang problema doon yun. Pero ba? Wala na? Kagawad na.
Morning sa nakaraan na ano natin, ito yung sa patawag yung ating mga concerned department head.
Wala pa rin sila. Siguro kung hindi sila magpunta ngayon, di tawag ulit. Next Monday. Kung wala, di next year na. Wala namang balita kung mag-attend sila o hindi. Na-invite sila. Yes, kagawa na data.
Requested po ng mga kasama. Sa ano na lang po siguro may message sa deciding sa announcement bago mag-enjoy baka sila matawag.
So, wala na. So, next tayo. First reading ang Federal of Purpose Features and Communication. Number 1. Madam Secretary.
Communication from the Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael Tesorio, duly signed by the OIC, Mr. Steve P. Mansul, forwarding the request of Mr. Nini H. Jamyon for endorsement of his application for the proposed construction of Mini H. Jamyon Mini Refilling Gas Station situated at Sitio Karamay, Purok Magkakaisa, Barangay Pulot Center in the Municipality of Sophronia, Española, Palawan, received with no other attached documents, only letter from the applicant.
Discussion ng Committee on Environment.
Referred to the Committee on Environment.
2.
Number 2, forwarded resolution number 21, series of 2024 of Barangay Labug, a resolution approving the Barangay Investment Plan FY 2025 of Labug, Sophronia, Española, Palawan, for review.
Secretary, Committee on Rules.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Number 3.
Number 3, communication from the Municipal Mayor, Abner Rafael Tesorio, forwarding the letter request of Ms. Impa Bajo, Mau, for reprogramming of 2 projects from 20% Development Fund, continuing appropriation. Number 1, construction of 4 units seaweed dryer, amounting to 800,000 pesos, and construction of 2 units FPA floating guard house, amounting to 600,000 pesos.
Committee on Rules.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
KNBO. Okay. Number 4.
Number 4, forwarded resolution number 28, series of 2024 of Barangay Iraray, a resolution approving annual investment plan FY 2025, Sophronia, Española, Palawan.
Committee on Rules.
Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Number 5.
Number 5, communication from the Municipal Mayor, Abner Rafael Tesorio, duly signed by the OIC Mayor, Mr. Steve P. Mansul, requesting to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into MOA with Doris E. Martinez National High School o Barangay Abu-Abu for the deployment of their work merchandise in the municipality of Sofronia, Española, Palawan.
Okay, this is a report to Committee on Rules and Committee on Education.
It was jointly referred to the Committee on Rules and Education.
Military Committee Report number 1, Committee Report number 2024-47 of the Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation. Please, proceed.
Committee report number 2024-47 submitted by Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation, subject consideration and approval of annual budget fiscal year 2025 the municipality of Sofronia, Española, Palawan, amounting to 319,396,637 pesos, and the Municipal Economic Enterprise and Development Office MEDO amounting to 18,814,542 pesos. For the presiding officer, the Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation to its signature was referred to, would like to report the honorable body its finding and recommendation to the following premises to it. Number 1, the municipal mayor of the representatives request the legislative action on the annual budget fiscal year 2025 municipality of Sofronia, Española, Palawan, amounting to 96,637 pesos, and the Municipal Economic Enterprise and Development Office MEDO amounting to 18,814,542 pesos. Note the proposed budget complies with the Local Government Code of 1991 and the other relevant regulation governing budget preparation and approval. The overall allocation reflects the municipality's strategic obligation focusing on the infrastructure development, social services, health, education, and economic development. Number 4, that the local finance committee certified to the direction of accountability of correctness of regular sources based on the economic condition of the financial recommendation of the preparation of the past, the preparation of and celebrating fiscal year 2025 budget 399,396,637 pesos. For the municipal government, 18,814,542 pesos for the municipal economic enterprise operators of the security. To be qualified for minutes. Regular session. Prepared by your school chairman, Content Finance Budget Appropriation Board, Honorable by Junior Co-Chairman, Honorable Napisa Ibon Member, Honorable Michael L. Jordan.
Okay, any comment? Correction regarding this committee report number 2024-47, Committee of Finance, Budget and Appropriation. Wala? Okay, anyway.
I move that the committee report number 2024-47, submitted by Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation, subject consideration and approval of the annual budget fiscal year 2025 municipality of Sofronia, Española, Palawan, amounting to 19,396,637 pesos, and the Municipal Economic Enterprises and Development Office MEDO amounting to 18,814,542 pesos be adopted.
Okay, kasi no, but secondary, no objection. Tingnan. Kasi no, committee report number 2024-47 of Committee on Finance and Budget and Appropriation is up for adoption. Calendar of business, unfinished business from previous administration, from previous session, vote none. Business for the day. Letter A, draft resolution number 254-25. Para resolution number 8. 36-24. Okay, so we would, Norman, you have to proceed.
Yung isa beside, draft resolution number -2024-285, approving the barangay resolution number 18, series of 2024 Barangay Pulot Interior resolution including the tax identification number as part of the essential requirements in all application for government permits, licenses, clearance, officials, permits, papers, and documents, as well as in community tax certification. Concerned by yours truly, whereas the Barangay Resolution number -18, 20 series of 2024 Barangay Pulot Interior has been presented to this August body for review and approval. Whereas the subject Barangay Resolution was referred to the Committee on Finance, Budget, and Appropriation for consideration, and after reviewed through review, it was found all requisites were met, and the enactment was found to be in accordance with the provision of Executive Number 98, Series of 1999, the Local Government Code, those within the prescribed forward acting body. Whereas this was assured that the required tax identification number in securing clearances might be specific, excessive, especially if the purpose is merely for seeking medical financial assistance, thus it must be specified. Those where business renewal shall require presentation of TIN. Whereas EU number series of 1990 of 98 series of 1999 directs LTUs to incorporate TINs in all forms, permits, licenses, clearances, official papers, and documents which they issue to persons transacting business with them be natural and juridical. Whereas Council, in a view of foregoing, affirms that the resolution is valid and in accordance with the law. Now, therefore, motion of yours will be duly seconded by Blank, be it resolved, thereby resolved to approve the Barangay Resolution Series of 18, Series of 2024 of Barangay Pulot Interior, resolution including the tax application numbers part of the essential requirement in all application for government permits, licenses, clearances, official papers, documents, as well as in a community tax certification. Resolved further that the nature of the clearance which will require TIN be specified. Resolved finally that this copy of resolution be forwarded to all concerned for their information, reference, and appropriate action.
Okay, any comment, correction regarding this draft resolution number 2024-248? Wala mag-signify na katanungan? Okay na? Okay.
Above that, the resolution number that's 2024-285, approving the Barangay Resolution number 18, series of 2024, Barangay Pulot Interior be adopted.
Question no, by second read. No objection? Okay na. Resolution number 2024-285 is approved for adoption. Number 2, letter B. Resolution number 2024-286.
Draft resolution number -2024-286, authorizing the acceptance of parcel of land donated by the Barangay Government of Pulot Center through the Barangay Captain George Enriquez for the establishment of National Child Development Center for Survivors Really, whereas Barangay Pulot Center represented by Barangay Captain George Enriquez, owner of lot number 8456 PLS CAD 796D, situated at Barangay Pulot Center, Sobrang Española, has expressed an intent to donate a portion of its lot with an area containing 300 square meters intended solely for the establishment of National Child Development Center. Whereas Section 22, Paragraph C of the Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, provides that no contract may be entered into the local chief executive or on behalf of the local government unit without prior authorization by the Sangguniang Bayan concerned. Whereas the deed of donation executed by the donor, the witness, to be acknowledged by the notary public, made the giving, transferring, and conveying of ownership of the above cited portion of land to the donee by the municipal government of Supremo Española lawful, and binding. Whereas this august body recognizes the nation and acknowledges the generosity of the donor to this resolution. Other motion of your resolution is seconded by blank be it resolved. This is hereby resolved to authorize the acceptance of the parcel of land donated by the Barangay Government of Road Center through Barangay Captain George M. Vigas for the establishment of the National Child Development Center. Resolved further to authorize the local chief executive to accept the donation on behalf of the municipal government of Supreme Española. Is upon against copies of this resolution be forwarded to all concerned for information, reference, and appropriate action.
Okay, any comment, correction regarding this draft resolution number 2024-286? Wala? Please, Kagawad Galan, your comment.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Itong lupa na to ay pag-aari ng barangay na patentity po. Idodonate sa local government unit. Ngayon, Mr. Presiding, meron po ba tayong resolution authorizing barangay captain na sinecure po ng mga barangay council? Meron po ba? Hindi po ba natin makita? Para mas sigurado lang po natin na in-authorize kami na. Thank you po, Mr. Speaker.
Pwede paano na lang po ng yung mga papel natin.
Yung secretary, meron tayo.
Meron. Alam.
Kinukuha pa.
Ito lang sa saling na nabigay sa akin yung kopya ko.
Yun na.
Yung kopya ko nabigay sa akin.
Kopya ng,
Yung kopya ko ng mga papel natin sa akin.
yun na nga, dapat sana ito na-prepare na lahat para ikis na yung tao. Ang dispat, maano ka agad.
Kaya nga nagkingailangan ko ng pasensya rin sa pagkain.
Antayin lang natin. Please, Kagawad Galan.
Mr. Presiding, yung mga ganyang dokumento sana, Mr. Presiding, nakaprepared na dapat yun. Kasi kailangan po natin makita talaga para sigurado tayo na may authorization yung barangay captain ng Road Center, authorization from the council. So, importante po yan, Mr. Presiding. Baka hinahanap pa yun siguro sa ano.
Actually, Mr. Presiding,
Nakapag-file, dapat nakaano na yan. Thank you po, Mr. Presiding.
Yun na nga, dapat na ready. Ikis na may maghanap. Meron?
ang council kasi, Mr. Presiding, hindi naman katulad ng council natin dito na iba talaga. This is separation of power, legislative at saka executive. Ang barangay naman kasi, at saka yung council niya, isa lang sila. Para sa vice mayor at the same time. Mayor siya at vice mayor at the same time.
Kaya nga, hinahanap yung kanilang file tulog.
Kaya nga po, ibig sabihin, yung barangay captain at saka council, isa lang sila. Diba? Hindi katulad ng sa atin dito, kailangan i-authorize natin si mayor. Dahil siya po, may separation of power. Executive tsaka yung legislative.
Tama yun. Kasi kaya tinatanong ni Lord Galan,
Isa lang.
kung mayroon.
I'm sure mayroon yan. May mga documents na yun. Hindi lang maibigay sa akin yun, sir.
Sana, wala pa.
Sa tingin ko hindi siya i-authorize, parang resolution lang kasi ng barangay na nag-donate sila sa municipal government. Kasi sa barangay kasi, yung presiding officer, yun din nag-approve siya rin yung chief executive. Siguro resolution ng barangay council na nag-donate sila sa municipal government para may hawak daw property.
Saka nakalagay naman din dito, Mr. Presiding, sa whereas number 3, binasa ko na rin po kanina, na executed with the donor, yung death of donation po. Quick sapat na rin na dinonate na lang po nila.
Kaya nga, nakalagay dito, kaya lang yung actual.
Yung hinahanap kasi sa atin, Mr. President,
Yung resolusyon ng barangay. Hindi rin natin walang bahala yung hinahanap ng isa sa mga council.
yes po, gusto ko lang makita rin yung ano yun. Yung death of donation.
Yes, kagawad ka lang. Meron ka pang
Meron na ba? Meron na. Resolution ng barangay. Deed of donation.
Ito lang ba?
Okay ba sa mga kagawad?
Ito ay may kasulatan sila, Mr. Presiding, ng ating mayor, Under Rafael Osorio at Honorable George Grigos bilang donor. So ito ay pirmado ni Attorney Harleen Hemor, deed of donation. And then, pagsulat si Municipal Engineer, natin na-transmit dito sa atin. Ha? Through sa Sangguniang Bayan Resolution. Dito.
So,
Yes, kagawad ka lang.
So, Mr. Presiding, deed of donation po yung nababanggit. Ang hinahanap po natin, kanina hinahanap po natin, authorizing, na in-authorize si Kapitan para mag-donate. Ngayon, nabanggit po ni Kagawad sa atin na resolution from the Barangay Council. So, donating parcel of land to the local government unit. Kasi hindi po pwede, Mr. Presiding, na nag-uusap lang yung Chief Executive, Municipal Chief Executive at saka Barangay Chief Executive, nag-uusap lang ito donate. Kasi sasabi po tayo dyan, Mr. Presiding, kailangan po dito may consent po yung barangay official. So kung hindi po dito comply, Mr. Presiding, kung video doubt pa po tayo, pwede naman po nating i-table partner po yan. Table partner muna natin para mapag-aralan ng gusto at may comply yung sasabing resolution from the barangay official, from the barangay council, donating parcel of land to the local government unit. Thank you po, Mr. President.
Kasi ang donate na lot ay ano yan, ito ano na yung sabihin mo hanggang katapusan na ng mundo, nandiyan na yan eh. Kaya kailangan complete yung papel. Kagawad din na ito.
Dagdag ko kay Kagawad kasi yung pagkaalam ko yung deed of donation, pag private na individual nag-donate sa government, yun ang deed of donation. Pag yung government to government, lalo yung chief executive, karong gaga sa atin, municipal mayor, kailangan natin siyang i-authorize. Sa barangay, kailangan siguro resolution kasi hindi naman siya talaga chief executive, wala sa veto power. Yung resolution ng council, na yung council pumapayag na mag-donate. Pagkaalam ko, ganun yung gawin sa barangay. Yung deed of donation actually sa private to government unit, pwede yun. Pero government to government, kailangan mayroon concern yung sanggunian nila. Siguro kung wala pa naman para hindi tayo sumabit, tingnan natin sila ng resolution ng barangay na mag-donate sa local government unit.
Okay, so yun. So,
Mas matibay naman yan, Mr. Presiding, kung gusto natin na lagyan pa natin ng mga ganun pa. I-authorize si Kapitan George Rigas ng council niya na mag-donate. Pero ito pong hindi lang naman po yung deed of donation is mga private. Hindi po. Kasama po ang public dito na kailangan din with yung sign duly signed by the attorney, no, na notary public. Kailangan po yun, hindi po.
so
Siguro karagdagan lang sa deciding.
yun nakakagawa din naman sa council. So kailangan may resolution ng council para na-involve naman ang council. Hindi once na nagawa na yun, hindi nailang yung mga council na alam nila ang sitwasyon. So, nag-donate na pala ni Kapitan yung area pero hindi alam ng council. So, dismissal table further. Number Peter C. Resolution number 2024-287 authorizing the acceptance of parcel of land donated kay Norma Yawan. Okay, kalawat. Ha? Inaabot na lang yan.
Draft resolution number 2024-287 authorizing the acceptance of parcel of land donated by Norma Jawadil Asman, Linda Jawadil Likuman, Abita Jawadil Likuman, and Telma Jawadil Likuman for the construction of basketball court and road right-of-way in situ ng Barangay Pulutsyan. Sponsored by yours truly, whereas Norma Jawadil Asman, Linda Jawadil Likuman, Abita Jawadil Likuman, and Telma Jawadil Likuman, the lawful owner of 28,128 square meters parcel of land, conveyed transfer certificate, title number CAR 20140000208, dominated as lot 8185-A, PSD 4B-002995 Agrarian Reform. Situated in Barangay Pulot Center, have professed support to the developmental plans of the municipality of Sopronio, Hispaniola through their donation of an area of 828 square meters for the sole purpose of basketball court, construction and road right-of-way with a length of 58 meters from the barangay road with 8 meters wide, spanning from the barangay road up to the proposed site of the basketball court. Whereas Section 22, Paragraph C of the Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, provides that no contract may be entered into the local chief executive or on behalf of the local government unit without prior authorization by the barangay or Sangguniang Bayan concerned. Whereas the deed of donation executed by the donor and witnesses duly acknowledged to the notary public made the due transferring and conveying of ownership of the above cited portion of land to the doing the municipal government of Province Manila lawful and binding. Whereas it's always parties recognize the donation that acknowledges the generosity of the donors through this resolution. Now therefore, upon of motion of yours truly, duly seconded by Blanc, resolved that it's resolved to authorize the acceptance of the parcel of land donated by Norma Jawadil Asman, Linda Jawadil Likuman, Abita Jawadil Likuman, and Telma Jawadil Likuman for the construction of basketball court and road right-of-way in situ in Andina Barangay Pulot Center. Resolved further is authorize the local chief executive to accept the donation for it behalf of the municipal government of Sopronio, Hispaniola. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution be forwarded to all concerned for their information, reference, and appropriate action.
Okay, any comment, correction regarding this draft resolution number 2024-287? Wala? Wala, okay, Kalimon?
I note that draft resolution number 2024-287 authorizing the acceptance of the parcel of land donated by Norma Jawadil, Linda Jawadil Likuman, Abita Jawadil Likuman, Telma Jawadil Likuman for the construction of basketball court, road right-of-way, situ in the Barangay Pulot Center, be adopted.
It has been moved by second bill, no objection. Okay na. Resolution number 2024-287 is approved for adoption. Letter D, draft resolution number 2024-285, authorizing the C1 for certain certification conferring the Sangguniang Bayan endorsement of the commercial sand and gravel. Okay.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Draft resolution number 2024-288, a resolution authorizing the issuance of certification confirming the Sangguniang Bayan endorsement of the commercial sand and gravel CSAG business application of Mr. Aldrian Lloyd L. Galan, given through resolution number 2021-47, otherwise known as endorsing the application for commercial sand and gravel permit of Mr. Aldrian Lloyd L. Galan at Pulot Interior sa Province Española, Palawan. Sponsored by yours truly. Whereas, after true deliberation and consideration of the forwarded documents, resolution number 2021-47 was passed by Sangguniang Bayan on April 5, 2021, favorably consenting the commercial sand and gravel permit of Mr. Adrian Lloyd L. Galan, Barangay Pulot Interior sa Province Española, Palawan. Whereas, the resolution was not yet consumed as a circumstances for the authorized individual to process his application. Whereas, this august body has not made an action and so proceeds, not revokes the same, those instruments affected and binding. Wherefore, premises considered upon motion of blank, jurisdicted by blank. Resolved as hereby resolved that authorize the issuance of the certification of confirming the Sangguniang Bayan endorsement of the commercial sand and gravel CSAG business application of Mr. Adrian Lloyd L. Galan, given through resolution number 2021-47, otherwise known as endorsing the application for commercial sand and gravel permit of Mr. Adrian Lloyd Galan at Pulot Interior sa Province Española, Palawan. So finally, that the copies of this resolution be forwarded to all concerned offices, agencies, and institute their information, reference, and appropriate action.
Any comment, correction regarding this draft resolution number 2024-250? Please, Kagawad Mike.
Sir President, gusto lang natin itanong po sa sponsor, Mr. President. Kasi yung mga nakaraan, yung mga kaso rito natin tungkol din sa mga graba, yung talagang pong concern ng mga tabing pampang nila, o tabing lupi nila. Kaya Mr. President, ayaw na natin maulit, gusto na natin tanong kung yung po bang lahat ng mga nadaanan ng graba na ito ay payag o wala namang objection po.
Please, Kagawad Gatongkay.
As from Barangay Pulot Interior po, nag-go sa panggalan ni Kapitan, previously approved na po ito, may endorsement po yung barangay. So, nagkaroon na rin po ito ng inspection po nakaraan. So, gaya ng sabi ko po, dito sa atin po, if ever na may mga ganitong, basta kompleto lang po yung papel at qualified naman po, wala naman po problema sa atin.
Ibig pong sabihin, Mr. President, ito ay na-approve na. Na-approve na before.
Previously pa, 2022.
Oo. Anong taon po na-approve?
2022.
Ano ba ang sitwasyon nito, Mr. President? Nag-lapse? Or
Nag-expire ba ito?
kasi pinalik sa atin eh.
Ito yung nakalagay. Whereas subject resolution not yet consumed at the circumstances 12 authorized individual to process his application. Nag-12 po sila noon. But April 5, 2021 pa po ito siya. Na-approve na.
Approved na. Pero hindi siya
Baka may mga violation that time. Yun lang ang nakikita.
Kasi yan nga ang gusto natin, Mr. President, siguraduhin kasi kung may violation na sinasabi ng ating sponsor, eh, hindi natin alam kung ano klaseng violation. Baka pwede yung malaman kung ano yung mga violation.
May idea ka? Gawin dito ka?
Kanina po kasi lumapit ako kay Kapitan, kung sa kanya po palang noon kanina, na sabi siya na walang puro na-endorse na po siya, na-inspection na po ito nakaraan. Bagamat, I promise na hindi ko talaga na napuntahan po ito, Mr. Presiding, kasi nga, sabi ko nga yung papel nito, hindi ko talaga matagpuan kung saan. But, itong mga permit na ganito ay hindi man po siya makapag-operate kapag hindi po siya kompleto. Yan po pinangawakan po natin. At if ever na mapasa po natin ang resolution na ito, may mga dadaanan pa po itong papel. Ito yung sa ating po ay endorsing lang po ito, authorizing natin.
TBC, anong masabi mo dito?
Thank you, Mr. President. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung anong taon, but dahil doon sa applicante na na-comply po yung itong requirements at nag-meeting din sila ng mga lot adjacent owner, although na may mga portion na favor lang siya, so kulang din yung kaalaman namin doon. Basta ang sa amin lang na tinatayuan, kapag nag-approve, pumabor yung mga lot adjacent owner, I think wala kaming paraan na kadlangan. So miniting doon po yung mga lot adjacent owner sa mga neighbors. So nagkaroon ng favor sa council. Sa sunod na mga session na i-endorse po ito ng equipo ng Mr. Galan.
Mr. Presiding, kasi hanggang ngayon kasi wala pa akong hawak na papel. Yung nakakalungkot din po. But, gaya ng sabi ko po, lahat po ng aking mga pinapasok po dito kapag mahawakan po natin yung papel, wala pong problema. Pati paglalaban po natin. Kasi kasama naman po ito sa ating trabaho. But as of now, hindi ko pa po hawak yung papel. May request Mr. Presiding na baka sunod na sisila lang po natin na provide.
Sa sanggunian, sa sekretariat ba? Wala itong ano? Wala ba ng application na ibinigay dito sa inyo?
Ibigay ito po sa sekretary ko.
Kaya dapat to meron eh.
Mr. Presiding. Kasi ito kasi, nung ako pa yata ang Committee on Environment ito, na-endorse natin siya nung April 5, 2021. Pinoproseso yung papel. Alam naman natin pag-apply ng gravel and sand, medyo matagal. Tapos hindi siya umabot doon, hindi siya na-approve. Kaya nga nagre-request siya ng issuance ng certification na dumaan na dito sa atin. Yung paghanap ng adjacent lot, tapos na po tayo dyan. Yung sa atin lang, kasi pagkalang may resolution, halos 1 year lang yan siya, nag-expire. Resolution ng sanggunian, hindi siya tuloy-tuloy. Kaya hininga na tayo dito na certification conforming ng Sangguniang Bayan na na-endorse na natin siya. Yun lang naman hiningi dito, yung mga adjacent. Tapos na po tayo dyan, yung hiningi lang nila na para mapatuloy yung kanilang pagproseso ng papel, yung confirming natin na na-endorse na natin siya before. Yun lang naman yung hiningi dito sa atin.
Mr. Gadamay?
Tayo po, Mr. Presiding, hindi po tayo tutuloy ito. Gusto rin po natin na madami yung mga negosyante natin dito. Wala ko tayong ating personal lang. Sa akin lang po, ay may situate natin yung mga hawak tayong papel. Since ang ating pong chairman, ang ating pong Committee on Environment, wala pa pong mga kapapilan, dati po, no, nag-lapse na po yung kanyang yung kanyang jurisdiction. Dati po pala kay Nagawad Bernardo po, at ngayon po, kay Kerchelang Gatungay na mas mainam po na hawak din po natin yung mga papel ng dati pa at nai-forward din po sa ating chairman ng Committee on Environment. Yan po yung sa akin sa deciding sana kompleto po yung mga papel niya. Ganyan lang. Maranasan po tayo mga nakaraan na medyo hindi po maganda yung sitwasyon na mga katrapan na ito. At marami pong mga ganun po, mga reklamo sila o mga problema higit po sa pagkatrapan.
Kagawad Galan?
Kaya, thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Actually, yan renewal lang din po yan eh. Wala pong pinagkaiba doon sa quarry ni Banta na nag-lapse na po yung kanyang endorsement, nagpa-confirm po ulit sa atin. Wala po, yung papel po, matagal na po naka-stack yan sa ating secretariat at comply po lahat yan, pumasa na po sa ICANN board meeting yan at sa lahat-lahat po ng mga kailangan po dito sa dito sa atin sa lokal. Na-endorse namin po ng barangay yan. Alam po ni Vice President yan. So ang hinihingi na lang po natin yan, yung confirmation kasi nag-lapse na po yung ating resolution. Majority po kasi yan, Mr. Presiding. Kung sa papel po, tapos na po yan. Matagal na po tapos yan. Walang pinagkaiba yan kay Banda, kay Delboro, at saka sino pa bang ibang nagpapa-confirm po ulit, Mr. Presiding. Kasi kung actually matagal na itong nakasalang dito eh. So, dapat ito, Mr. Presiding, kaya ayaw ko nga sanang makialam dito kasi nandiyan na lahat ng mga papeles, Mr. Presiding. So, hanapin pa natin na nandyan na yan. So, thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Confirmation, renewal lang po yan ng ating resolution. Thank you po.
Hawak na ni Kagawad na gatong tayo yung application ni Mr. Galan. Yes, Kagawad.
Follow-up explanation, Mr. Presiding, ay wala pong violation yan kasi hindi po nag-operate. Actually, tagal na po yan eh. 2021, 2024 na po tayo. 3 taon na po yan ang proseso. So, hindi na proseso kasi sa higpit po ng mga ibang dinadaanan. Ayan po, hawak na hawak po yan Mr. ni Committee Chairman at approve na po yan. Dito, ang sa atin po naman, for prerequisite lamang po para doon po sa endorsement ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan. So, thank you po, Mr. Presiding.
So, Mr. Presiding, gaya ng sinabi ko po, if ever na ma-hold po natin yung mga papel is wala naman pong problema kasi marami naman tayong na-endorse po at kailangan din po ng bayan natin yung mga ganitong fund. So, may mga panarin po sa mga Johnson po nila. So, Mr. Presiding, kanina, nung hindi ko pa kasi, ayaw ko lang po kung may pagkakamali. If ever may pagkakamali po ako, hawakan ko ito at hindi ko napan. Pasensya lang po, but ayun lang naman po hinihingi natin nakaraan. Kahit ano pong application po dito, basta may mga papel, wala po problema sa akin. So, hiniling ko sa body na aprobahan po natin ito para po na matapos na. Thank you very much.
Okay, Kagawad Armel, anong usin mo?
Yun lang po, sinasabi niya kasi kanina, wala siyang hawak na papel. Kung kaya mag-approve tayo na wala hawak na papel, although hindi na nga rin namin nabasa yan sa presiding, at hindi na nga namin na tingnan niyo kung ano yung mga nilalaman papel na yan. Para sa ano po, sa kapakanakan din ng ating application, our applicants, si chairman naman rin sabi na nandiyan na sa kanya. So, okay lang po sa akin, wala po tayo.
Siguro next time, kung mayroong mga ganitong na-repair na masilan, maghingi po tayo ng kopya sa Sangguniang, sa sekretarya. Kung sa gano'n ay pagdating ng katanungan, meron na tayo doon.
Opo, Mr. President, actually sabi nila nabigay na po sa sekretary. Ganun ko lang alam po kung ano ibigay sa akin. So, hindi matagal din po.
Okay, so wala nang wala nang comment? Kung wala na, kindly mo.
Thank you po, Mr. President. I note that draft resolution number 2024-288, a resolution authorizing the issuance of certification confirming the Sangguniang Bayan endorsement of the commercial sand and gravel CSAG business application of Mr. Adrian Lloyd Galan given through resolution number 2021-47, otherwise known as endorsing the application for commercial sand and gravel permit of Mr. Adrian Lloyd Galan at Pulot Interior sa Puerto Española be adopted.
Ito si Novan Sigande. Objection? Hearing none. Resolution number 2024-288 is approved for adoption.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Third and final reading. 1. Draft Ordinance number 2024-303, creating the position of 1 mechanic 2, salary grade 6, 1 bookbinder 3, salary grade 7, and 2 engineer 2, salary grade 16, all under the office of the municipal engineer. Okay, is approved for third and final reading. See, ano sa business, none? Announcement reminders. Yes, Kagaw Jordan.
Ano pong update, ma'am? Ay, sila nakatravel tayo, nakatravel. Nakatravel po.
Sila nakatravel. Saan ba yan? Hindi nakatravel. Si ABC nakatravel nga eh.
Hindi naman nila pag-ano sa mag-claim.
Yan ang anak ng Diyos. Matanong ko si ABC, si IPMR, may kasadvance kayo? Wala? Di ba katiway na?
Iway na sila namin.
Kasi wala na, hindi na sila nag-obligate ng lahat ng voucher. Ako may reimbursement ako ng mga 8,000 plus. Wala na. Charge to experience, meron naman tayong 14-month pay. Gross. So wala yung ating inimbitahan natin, hindi yung ating imbitahan ulit by next Monday. Second, invitation. Kagawa Darmay?
Si accountant saka si treasurer. Talaga po ang kasi parang may chance tayo dun sa cash in gold. Kailangan silang mag-usap para mai-activate po yung mga pera natin doon kung anong mga nasa loob ng cash in gold. Pakalagay po sa mga.
So si Budget hindi na imbitahan?
Hindi po isama sila. Pero yung talaga yung dalawa.
Tatlo sila.
Sila yung actor po talaga.
Okay, so yung tatlo, imbitahan natin sa Monday. Kami na Monday, regular session. So, meron ba? So, malungkot, wala. Ayaw ko, meron pa ba tayong, wala na ngayon, di ba, yung malabas-labas natin sa grupo ng team building. Wala na rin. Christmas party kaya. Kanya-kanya na lang By office na lang.
Patawag pa natin kasi may pondo pa tayo eh. Kaya gusto natin malaman sa kanila kung anong nangyari, ba't hindi tayo pinapayagan na mag-obligate na may pondo pa tayo dito sa sanggunian.
Inanos, katulad ng natin, mga COEs natin. Sabi ni Mayor kanina, bawasan talaga ng aning. Kung hindi bawas, kung hindi magpayag tayo, ay wala na silang sweldo. Lahat. So, si Secretary na lang bahala magpunta kay Mayor, mag-usap sila. Kung talagang walang mapagkasunduan, sacrifice ang natin tao.
Wala po siyang power nun na mag-alis. Wala po sa power niya kahit basahin niya. Wala yan sa power niya, yung ganun.
Kaya nga natanong ko one time yung ating budget. Yung budget natin 2024 at saka ngayon, hindi ko na-review, kung yan ba ay ilan ang difference? May idea ka, Kagawad Harmay? Yung budget natin nung isang taon at saka ngayon, ilan ang difference nun?
300 million. Siguro hindi ko pa namin sa meron magsalita ng hindi accurate.
Yun nga, sana dapat pag-approve nung budget natin ngayon, na sana yun?
Hindi, wala namang nagtatanong kasi. Kaya nung nagtanong kayo, i-siguro ko na.
Eh, ang problema na aprobahan na. Baka mamaya, dapat kung na-short tayo ng 26 million ngayon, dapat ganun ang ibabawas sa budget natin ngayong taon, 2025. Para hindi naman natin ang tawag nito, malasap yung ganitong problema ngayon. Diba? Kasi kung kaunti lang diferensya, ay hindi nga namin. Ang City Nickel ngayon, hindi pa nakalimang biyahe. So, ibig sabihin, baka wala ng 7 million yung babayaran nila next year. Lalong bumaba. Kagod ka lang, meron ka.
Ang sekreto po dyan, Mr. Presiding, kung ano lang po ang budget, yan lang po ang gagastusin. Kasi
Sana.
kung over expenses mo yun, magkakaproblema po. So, yun lang din siguro, Mr. Presiding, kung meron pa ba tayo nagpa-concern?
So, wala rin sila. Okay, so wala na.
Kung wala na, Mr. Presiding, I move to adjourn our regular session.
Wait, that's in move and seconded. No objection? Saying none. Our regular session for today is hereby adjourned.